It's holiday season and having the kids at home while trying to work is a hassle. Kids wake up every day with a burst of energy that needs to be unleashed. And I know this holiday, many parents are concerned about how to keep their children engaged. So today, for reason number 1001, why my kids love me, I'll be taking them on a picnic. And you know there is no picnic without the perfect, most delicious picnic snacks and meal. I want a stress-free meal prep today, and nothing stays stress-free more than Addmie. Guys, so since I discovered Addmie last year, it has made my life a lot easier. Imagine not having to cut veggies and get healthy, delicious veggies in literally less than 10 seconds. So to make a quick meal today, I'll be using my Addmie 3-in-1 mix of vegetables, protein, and seasoning. I love how Addmie saves me precious time in the kitchen. I love to cook, but I don't like to sleep in the kitchen, okay? So by using Addmie, it allows me to spend more meaningful time with my family, which is something I do not joke with. Addmie is all natural, as food should be. No preservatives, no additives, just pure natural goodness. So instead of wishing for a simpler, more enjoyable cooking experience, make that a reality with Addmie and have more time to spend with your family, just like I do.